Hello developers, welcome to the new tutorial series on Kotlin programming language for beginners. So let's get started. Kotlin is a programming language. It's a programming language and we will understand the basic programming concept. So Kotlin supports the same basic concept as other high-level programming language such as Java or Python. However, Kotlin has a unique, more concise syntax than these languages and also has some additional features that makes programming in Kotlin more robust and secure. More robust and secure. Kotlin null safety Kotlin null safety features that allow for null safe invocation and not null assertion write clean and error-free code. In this course, we will learn the basic Kotlin data types and syntax and then the difference between val and var type variable. After that, we will understand string template and string function, conditional branching using if else statement. We will work with collection data structure such as lists, sets and maps. End of this series we will understand null safety features in Kotlin. So when you are finished with this course you will be able to work with Kotlin. So that's all for this video. In next video we will deep dive in Kotlin's world.